Okay, my friends, are you ready to do another picture with me? Today we're going to draw a picture of a flower, a tulip, in a pot. So I've got my piece of paper. I've got my pen that I'm using. Again, I'm just going to use a Sharpie, but you can use whatever you have, a pencil or a pen or a color. It doesn't really matter, okay? So to start off with today, we're going to draw the pot that our flower is sitting in. The first thing we're going to do is a little line. Now see how I haven't touched the edge of my paper over here or over here? I just left a gap on both sides, okay? So just do a little line. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line going down to the bottom. A diagonal means it's almost like a triangle, okay? So one this side, and one on this side, and then we're going to draw a line across the bottom of that. And that's going to make our pot. Oops, there we go. Okay, next we are going to do the top of our pot. We're going to draw another long line across the top, the same width, the same size, and then we're going to draw two little lines on the end. So that's our pot. That's what our flower is going to go into. Then we're going to do the stem of our flower. So we're going to draw a long line from here on the pot to about here. And then we're going to do another line. We're going to leave a bit of a gap. We're going to go back down to the pot and draw another line going up. Okay. Now we need some leaves for our flower. So for the leaves, we want to do a bit of a curvy shape. So we're going to start in this corner where the pot and the stem meet. And we're going to draw a curvy line like this. Kind of bends. Do you see how the line bends? Okay, then we're going to go to the top and we're going to bend it back down to this point here. There. Did you do that? It's okay if yours doesn't look exactly the same as mine. Art is all about making your own beautiful pictures, so we want it to look like yours. We're going to make another leaf now. We're going to start in this corner. We're going to make the same shape, but on this side. So we're going to start here, and we're going to make a bendy shape to about there. Then we're going to take that corner, or sorry, that point here, and bend it back in. Now we have 1, 2 leaves. To make them look more like leaves, if you want to, you can draw a line down the middle, just like that, a bit of a bendy line. And it helps them look more like leaves. What are we missing on our flower? We're missing the flower, right? So right at the top of our paper here, we're going to draw a big smiley face. Oh, such a good smiley face. See the big smile right there? Did you draw a big smile? Now on top, I'm going to move my paper down because I think you can't really see it. There we go. On the top of our big smile, we're going to do some zigzags, kind of like we did zigzags for our dinosaur yesterday. So we're going to go up, down, up, down, up, down, and those lines are going to join up at the sides there. And you've made a tulip. A tulip is a type of flower that grows. It's really pretty. They come in all kinds of different colors. I'm going to color my tulip pink. You can color yours whatever color you like, but I'm going to use pink. I'm going to use the other end of my pen. I've got kind of a magic pen. It has the pink on both sides, but this side will color faster. I'm going to try and stay in the lines. You could do it red or yellow or orange, pretty much any color. Tulips grow in a place called Hampstead. That's on the other side of the world in a country called Holland. I went there a little while ago. It's very nice. There we go. There's our tulip. And then what color do you think the stem would be? That's right, it would be green. So I'm going to use my green marker and I'm going to color in my stem. Trying to stay in the lines. And then I'm going to do my leaves the same color. It's nice that things are starting to turn green outside now, isn't it? I don't know about you, but I'm done with the snow. I want sunshine and flowers and blue sky. Yep, we did the green leaf. Now at the bottom, you can color your pot to whatever color you want. I'm going to use this sort of brown orange color. It's called terracotta, because lots of pots are brown. You could do a stripe or a pattern on your pot if you want, though. You can do whatever color you like. You could even do polka dots. That would be fun. So there's my pot all colored in. And there we have it for today. There's our picture of our tulip. I'd love to see the tulips that you draw and color in. So post them below. Can't wait to see what color they are.